Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Have a good day, students. The culture file, the Epl file, the sensorial file, and now we are watching the shoelaces. Can you please tell me from which area of learning this particular file belongs? Yes, the daily activity. Lacing a shoe, tying or untying a lace is such a difficult task for child, just not child but for an adult. So the Epl Practical Activity number 8, Lacing Frame. For the personal care, 2 flaps of cloths have 5 shoelaces with holes on both sides on a wooden frame. Hand and eye coordination, motor controls, concentration, independence and satisfaction are again the part, and it is a big skill to lace a shoe. There is a shoelace hole opposite each side. Presentation. This is an individual presentation. So the directress has to show the child how to untie the shoelace. With the help of 2 fingers and a thumb, she keep an edge of lace in her hand. With the help of 2 fingers, moving out the lace from the hole from downwards. Slowly, gradually, the lace is coming out from the holes, and it is doing from the downwards. Make sure the shoelace is at equal length at both sides. By holding the shoelace, end up straight. Make sure the shoelace is at equal length at both sides. Make it straight, equal size. Open the flap from right hand side, then the left hand side. Now showing the frame, it is empty and open. It is now unlaced. Moving it back on its position from both hands, keeping the lace in hand, start lacing again from bottom to top. The left hand, then the right side. The right one goes left side, the left one going right side. Again the right one goes to left side downwards. Make sure it must be from the down side first and then from the up side. In, out, upward and downwards. In and out, upwards and downwards. Insert the shoelace through the bottom of the second hole on the right side on the frame. Going upwards, we can continue doing the same thing, alternating between right and left till the end, keeping it in your fingers, making a bow and close. Thank you so much.